Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple thank you page in GoHighLevel. If you want to follow along or try GoHighLevel yourself, there's a link in the description below for a free 14-day trial. After logging into your account, open the funnel you're working on and add a new step. Name it Thank You Page so it's easy to recognize. GoHighLevel provides pre-built templates you can use right away, or you can start with a blank page if you'd like to design it from scratch. Inside the editor, replace the default text with a clear message like, "Thank you for signing up," and add a short line such as, "We'll be in touch with you soon." To make the page match your brand, open the style settings where you can adjust fonts, colors, and backgrounds, and even upload your logo. You can also make the thank you page more engaging by adding a call to action button. For example, you might link it to your booking calendar, offer a free resource, or direct visitors to follow your social media pages. When you're happy with the design, save your work and test the funnel by filling out the form yourself to make sure it redirects to the new thank you page. If you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, remember to check out the link in the description. It gives you a free 14-day trial so you can test everything we talked about and see if it fits your business.